is Kanger, and I'm currently a liberal studies major at Fresno State. One interesting fact about me is that this hair color you see here, it's all natural. And also, if you aim for the moon but you still miss, you'll still be among the stars. And I would like to welcome you guys to HmSA's Spring Dance 2018.
Hi, I'm Joy, and I'm one of your auctionees for 2018 Spring Dance. I am a biology major, and an interesting fact about me is that I have 7 beauty marks on my face, and 7 is also my favorite number. With me, you will have the joy of your night. I would like to now welcome you to the 2018 HmSA Spring Dance.
Hello, my name is Sing Tao. I am one of HmSA Spring Dance auctionees, and to tell you a little bit about myself is that my major is undeclared because you haven't declared me as yours yet. I play musical instruments such as piano, guitar, and I also play volleyball and basketball. And I welcome you to HmSA Spring Dance of 2018.
Hi, my name is Paco Yang, and I'm a public health major, and I'm an auctioneer for HmSA Spring Dance. An interesting fact about me is that I love to sing. But would you like to dance with me under the moon and stars? Well, I would like to welcome you guys to HmSA Spring Dance of 2018.
Hi, I'm Yang. I'm an auctioneer for the 2018 Spring Dance for HmSA. As of right now, I'm majoring in civil engineering, and the interesting fact about me is that I'm the third oldest and I have no sisters. But you know, I do like the moon and stars, and you could be one of them. So I'd like to welcome you to the HmSA Dance for Spring of 2018.
Hi everyone, my name is Ping Tao. I'm one of your auctionees for the Spring Dance. My major is child development, and one interesting fact about me, well, I can walk up to 7 kids. Interesting, right? Well, there's a billion stars in the sky, and you're the brightest one for me. I would like to welcome each and every one of you guys to come join our 2018 Spring Dance, Under the Moon and Stars.
Hey guys, my name is Kuye, and I'm one of the auctionees for the Spring Dance. I'm currently in the master's program for clinical rehab. My hobbies are playing guitar and singing, and I would love to see you at the Spring Dance on March 24th. Alright. Let me dance with you all through the night. So I would love to see you at the Spring Dance. Can I dance with you through the night, baby? I'm itching right now just to be with you. So come on, come on.